The Nike Air Yeezy 2 continues to resonate deeply within sneaker culture, with unreleased samples fueling its mystique more than 10 years later. Recently, collector Simon Voltaire Tan unveiled the rare heavy Metal Anaconda prototype, a design blending metallic silver overlays with summit white reptilian embossing. Classic Yeezy 2 traits, such as the strap, spiked heel mold, and glowing outsole, are present, while distinctive flourishes like hieroglyphic graphics, tonal Horus branding, and custom inner tags elevate the pair's uniqueness. Although it never reached retail production, this unreleased sneaker expands the Yeezy 2's legacy, adding another chapter to its history alongside the Solar Red and Pure Platinum releases from 2012. The discovery underscores Kanye West's boundary-pushing Nike era, reminding collectors and fans alike of the bold innovation and creative risks that helped solidify the Yeezy 2 as one of the most iconic, elusive, and culturally influential sneakers ever created.